Basic English Reading Tutorial. Hello kids! Hello mommies and daddies! Welcome to our channel, Pabasa Online TV. In this video, we're going to learn the Phonics CVC word, and it's all about an family. And we're going to learn how to read the phrases and simple sentences. B, A, N, B, N, ban. B, A, N, B, N, ban. K, A, N, K, N, can. K, A, N, K, N, can. D, A, N, D, N, dan. D, A, N, D, N, dan. P, A, N, P, N, pen. P, A, N, P, N, pen. F, A, N, F, N, fan. F, A, N, F, N, fan. V, A, N, V, N, van. V, A, N, V, N, van. R, A, N, R, N, ran. R, A, N, R, N, ran. T, A, N, T, N, tan. T, A, N, T, N, tan. N, A, N, 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 man. N, A, N, 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 man. And now, let us read the words. Can, ban, dan. Again, can, ban, dan. Pan, fan, man. Again, pan, fan, man. Van, ran, 10. Again. Van, ran, 10. And now, children, can you read the words without the pictures? Okay, let us try. Again. Nice job! Let's have another try. Again. That's very good. Another one, children. And that's awesome. And now, let's proceed to our activity number 1. And let's call it Complete Me. You will give the missing letter to complete the words. Can you do it, kids? Of course you can. Begin. Okay, check out your answer. Did you get it? Let's continue the activity. Do it now, children. Let's see the answers. Got it all, children? And for the last part of our activity number 1, start it, kids. And let's see the answers. I believe you got the perfect score. And let's proceed to our activity number 2. And let's call it Connect Me to My Picture. Read the words carefully and then connect it to its picture. I know you can do it, kids. Let's start. Let's check the answers. Did you get the same answer? And for our activity number 3, let's call it Encircle My Name. Encircle the right name of the picture or the right word for the picture. Let's do it. Let's check the answers. Did you get it, kids? Let us now read these words. Is, I, see, on, the, this, a, have, he. Let's repeat. Is, I, see, on, the, this, a, have, he. Let us now read the phrases. A fan, a fan, a man. Again, a pan, a fan, a man. It's your turn to read, children. Great job! Is Dan, is tan, is ban. Again, is Dan, is tan, is ban. Read it now, children. Well done, children. He ran. The can. The van. Again. He ran. The can. The van. And now it's time for you to read it. Very good, kids. I think you are ready now to read the simple sentences. Let's do it. The pen is red. The pen is red. Can you read it? I have a fan. I have a fan. Your turn. This is the van. This is the van. Do it now, kids. The man ran. The man ran. Your turn, children. Dan is tan. Dan is tan. Do it now, children. I see a can. I see a can. Your turn, children. And if you learn from my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share my videos to your friends. This is Teacher Juday. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.